Hello, how to do Fulani braid with coil, how to do lemonade feeding braid. Watch till the end of the video for more details. So we are going to need my right hand. We are going to need my first finger, which is the thumb, and the second finger, which is the index finger, and it's going to be like this. Now that it's like this, we are going to go out of the camera, and I will grab the hair. Once I grab the hair, it's going to look this way. So this is my team 1. Then my next team is going to be my left hand, and my left hand, we have to have it this way, facing me. If you're doing hair, it's going to face down on the hair, but it will face you. Now that we have it, we are going to need my index, my pinky. This is my pinky, which is the 5th finger, and we are going to need the 4th finger. Right there is going to be this way while we are doing hair. Now if you are doing it on the hair, it's going to face down, but because I'm showing you, it's going to face me so you can see. So this is team 2, and we are going to need team 3. Team 3 is going to be the first finger of my left hand, and the second finger is going to be the thumb and the index finger, and it's going to be this way. Do you see? So now that is this way, this is team 2, team 3, team 1. So what team 1 will do is facing me. Remember, if we are doing hair, it's going to face down on the hair. So what I will do is team 1 bring the hair to team 2. Team 2 will open up. Once it open, it will get the hair and it will close up to keep it tight and secure. Now that it's tight and secure, team 1 is going to send this to team 3. Do you see? Once you get to team 3 will open up slightly. You see, it's right in the middle, and I will close it to keep it tight and secure so it doesn't go out. So that is how to do it. So it's going to be this way, but it will be facing the hair. So once you are this way, team 1 send it to team 2. Then after that, team 2 will be this way, right? It's closed. It will open, receive the hair, close back. Then send it to team 3, open, receive the hair, close, then cornrow. Again, it's going to be team 1 to team 2 to team 3. Then you cornrow. So I'm going to blow dry the hair. After blow dry, okay, so we start the feeding braid. So just like I showed you, you first start with cornrow. If you can cornrow your hair, you can do this. This is more on showing you how to apply the feeding braid. Well, that is why it's called, is adding hair as you go. That is why it's called feeding braid. Okay, so here I'm going to send this back because I don't want her hair to hurt her, especially that beginning. So here is what we are going to do. I'm not holding it tight so it will not hurt her. So open team 2, team 3. I'll show you that again. Grab it, then cornrow. Team 2, team 3. So team 1 is always going to go grab the hair. Team 2, team 3. I'm going to show you a little more slower so you can see it. So I grab the hair, send it to team 2, then team 3. See how it open, I receive it there, then I cornrow. So I'm going to cornrow all the hair. After that, I will show you how you can cover the whole hair while you're braiding it in extension, so it will not be sticking out after you're done braiding. So you continue cornrowing. You have to make sure you cornrow until the end of where her hairline at the back stop. Once you get there, then your next goal is to cover the extension. You see, that is how to cover the extension. You just grab the extension itself, then you cover the natural hair and you do. Now I tie it, my index go in, grab the hair and tie. So that is really how to do feeding braid. It's all about, once you know how to cornrow, you can do it. So after sectioning it, apply shine and jam. I'm going to put all the product used in the description below, so feel free to use it and order your hair products, and also you can get them from beauty supply. Okay, so now I get my team 1, cross the hair. We are going to start. I will start from the feeding braid. This side is not her sensitive place, so it's the same concept. Cornrow it 2 to 3 times depending on what you want. She's a child, so I'm giving her space. I do not want it to hurt her, so just have that in mind when you're starting, and also it will not be popping out after a few times. So now we start team 2, team 3, cornrow. I have a video where I show you how to cornrow your natural hair. If you haven't watched it, feel free to watch that because it will help you. It will teach you how to cornrow your hair, then you will now learn how to do this feeding. So it's really the same concept. Team 1 always go grab the hair. Team 1 grab it, is send it to team 2, to team 3, then you cornrow the whole hair to make it nice and secure. This is a protective style. You can do this hair if you want to grow your natural hair. You can do this hair on a child, on an adult. Anyone can really do this, but bear it in mind when you're doing it. Make sure you do not hold your hair too tight. When you hold your hair too tight, then it's not protective anymore because your hair can't really braid. Because it can't braid, it's going to give you a headache. From there, your hair start cutting, and we do not want that at all. Yeah, I cannot handle tight hair, and I encourage everyone, if possible, tell your stylist once they are doing it to not hold it tight. And your edges, that is also important. If you see on her hair is not too tight, she can move this hair, she can walk around. Even while I was doing it, you're going to see. So the same concept, team 2, team 3, and you cornrow. I hope you understanding how team 2, team 3, and you go. So team 2 always will open, receive, and it goes. I will show you more of it. Team 2, it open, send it to team 3. Right there, you see how I open it, I close, then I cornrow. Now if you do not understand it, if it was too fast, please go back and rewatch this video until you can understand it. And I wanted to mention practice, and practice do make perfect. So if you did not get it on the first time, do not worry, continue practicing. And my hair model today is Lovable Cass. Please feel free to follow her. I'm going to paste her YouTube link on my description. She did awesome job being our model on this video, and just follow her, watch her video, support her in her channel. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you are learning something from this video, and let me know if there is any hair video that you would like me to do. I'll be happy to do it. So the same concept, team 1 goes grab, send to team 2, to team 3, and we continue cornrowing the hair. And this is a protective style. I also wanted to mention how you can maintain this hair if you're trying to grow your hair. All you need to do is get aloe vera or clove. I do have a video where I show you how to do clove spray. Get a clove spray on your hair because it's going to help it to be moisturized, and add any choice of your cream. And that can be done while she have this hair. This hair can be carried depending on how you carry your hair, but it can go in between 4 weeks to 6 weeks. But as long you're spraying it, it is not protective style if you are not treating you. If you are not spraying your hair, you are not moisturizing it, then when you're taking it out, it's going to break out a lot. So the same concept of this hair, team 1 goes grab the hair. Once team 1 grab the hair, send it to team 2, to team 3, and you cornrow it. Again, remember, like I said, if you're carrying your hair, you need to be treating it and it's good to use it to grow your hair because you are not doing so much. Your hair is covered, is protected. When you take it out, it will still be nice and it's not going to be a lot of breakage. So just bear that in mind. Have you subscribed yet? If you have not subscribed, and smash that notification bell so whenever I upload a video like this, YouTube will notify you. And more about how to braid your hair, how to care for your hair, and how to grow it while you're having a cute looking and enjoying your life. Anyway, so yeah, please feel free to share, comment in the comment section, and let me know if there is some. So this is how this hair comes out. It's feeding braid, and I'm putting it in hot water. Please be careful. Be careful when you're doing this so you don't burn yourself or you don't burn your child. So after this, we're going to take it out as I'm doing it. See how it coming. I twist that because she wanted it more of a wavy looking, while I braid this because she still want it more nice and coily. And I'm going to show you how I add a little bit of rope accessory to make it all nice. So this is how the coil came out. Comment in the comment section what type of coil do you like to do when you do your own hair. And I wanted to also mention, as I'm doing the rope, that this hair, if you happen to do it and you do not like the coil that came out, you can get it back to straight by just boiling hot water and put it back, and it will go back to straight hair. So yep, this is how the hair came out. Thank you if you have watched this far. I appreciate your time. If you are my returning subscriber, thank you. And if you are new here, welcome to the family, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Thank you, my model, and I'm going to see everyone in my next video.